Welcome. In this video, I will explain how SaberES Designer tool helps in making few unique changes to the wire harness bundle drawings when you need them only for some limited special order vehicles quickly. This is done by using the custom bundle feature in SaberES Designer tool. The topics which will be discussed are Introduction to SaberES Designer, what is custom bundle design and its benefit, a demo of custom bundle design flow in SaberES Designer, and the summary. Designing and validating a modern vehicle wiring system is a significant and challenging task. SaberES Designer provides an efficient solution to do this from concept to manufacturing. Wiring harness is quite complex in nature. SaberES Designer handles system-wide design variants and enables you to design wiring harness from variety of complex system and vehicle models. It supports concurrent engineering by offering robust check-in and check-out from single design database and maintains data integrity through top-down connected design flow. It allows efficient integration with leading 3D MCAD systems such as CATIA and Creo. SaberES Designer is an ISO 26262 certified tool and it enables you to make wiring harness designs with functional safety. The integrated simulation environment allows you to do DC simulation such as voltage drop analysis. Advanced simulation can be done with additional license. Now let's see what is custom bundle design flow in SaberES Designer. To understand this, let me first give an overview of regular flow. In the regular flow, we start from picking item from corporate library and go through the wiring and the bundle design. The changes follow top-down approach and it is very efficient for mainstream vehicle project. Whereas the custom bundle flow is used for creating or updating bundle drawings with special changes directly from existing design. A new bundle design can be created by directly creating filters in the assembly library. This flow is very efficient for limited or special vehicle order. Custom bundle design creates an independent branch from the regular production design branch. After understanding what is custom bundle flow, we must understand why is this flow required. Sometimes your customer might require few customized vehicle for special application and you might need to design and deliver them in short time. In this situation, custom bundle flow will be helpful. Also, when orders of the vehicle are few, then such workflow is useful. OEMs can also use this process in situations when a bundle design has been released already, but it requires a small correction. Custom bundle flow can be used to make quick modification to the design and re-release the design. Without custom bundle workflow, when a quick design change is needed, one will have to first make a save as of the existing wiring design and then delete the unwanted data from the wiring design. And then keep the area of interest in the wiring design, then make the necessary changes to the assembly library and also to the data in the wiring design. Now import the data in the connected bundle design and then add the bundle design specific items here. This might be a cumbersome process and custom bundle can make this simple. With custom bundle flow, there are two workflows available. 1. Start by creating a new bundle design and 2. Start by copying an existing bundle design. In the custom bundle flow 1, we create a new bundle design, then add the required data in assembly library like the harness, sub-harness, assembly, design option and variable, and then we import the wiring data by selecting one of the wiring designs available. Now the filtered wiring design will be embedded into the custom bundle design. This design can be edited according to the project need. And then import the data in the bundle design. Bundle design can now be edited to add suitable passives and then the bundle design can be released. In custom bundle flow 2, we choose a bundle design which closely matches the customization requirement. We then make a save as of this bundle design. Wiring design and assembly library will already be available in this bundle design. We can edit them according to project need and then import the edited wiring design in bundle design and add passive to the bundle design according to project need and then release the bundle design. Now let me start with a demo of custom bundle flow, starting with flow 1, that is from a new bundle design. For this, we create a new bundle design from the start page and give the bundle design an appropriate name and save this in the repository. You can see that the design is empty and so is the assembly library. Start by populating the assembly library and open the wiring design sheets. Import the wiring data from the most suitable wiring design. This can be done from the Tools tab, Wiring Design Data icon. You can see that here we have just one wiring design, so we import that. You can see that the imported wiring design is a filtered version of the actual wiring design. Now make the necessary changes to the wiring design and import the changes into the bundle design. This is the demo of Custom Bundle Flow 1, where we start from an empty bundle design. Now let's go through Flow 2, where we use an existing bundle design to create a new custom bundle design. Open an existing bundle design and make a save as of this. Give an appropriate name for the new design. You will now see that the custom bundle design has the design data. It has the wiring data and it also has the assembly data. Modify the wiring data according to requirement and get the required changes into the bundle design from the design update tool. Please note that when a custom bundle design is created, it is now an independent branch and no more a part of production vehicle design branch. To summarize, custom bundle flow accelerates the bundle design release process for special or custom vehicle project. Error correction or modification is quicker with this flow. This flow also complements the top-down design flow. That's all for now. Thank you.